So I wasn't able to run in here fast enough, but the transponder just switched from ground to alt. The squat switch told the GTN that it's in the air now, but traffic remains in a standby state. So now if we go to operate, both units go to operate. Now if we power down the whole ship, we want to see if the unit starts back up and operate or standby mode. The master switch off and inverter. So we're powering back up. We're squat switches simulated in the air. I'm just going to bring up number 2 first, because it's interesting what that one often does. Okay, so right away it's showing alt, it's in the air, traffic status is operate, and then we'll continue here, continue, traffic status is operate. So if the squat switch is in the air, the unit powers down and powers back up and operate. If the squat switch is on the ground, the unit powers down, and then when it powers back up, it comes up in standby. Now if I go to standby, turn them both, simulating a squat switch in the air. Now let's power down and see if it starts back up in standby or operate. So number 1, altitude, we're indicating that we're in the air. Traffic starts up in operate. Continue, continue, traffic. So traffic starts in operate. So when the squat switch is in the air, the unit powers down and powers up and operate, even if it has been in standby. If the unit is in operate or standby, when it powers down and powers back up, it goes to operate when it's in the air. When it's on the ground, whether it's in operate or standby, the unit powers back up in standby, but will not change to operate with the squat switch. And that's really the main issue, is that the unit will not change from standby to operate when the transponder changes from ground to alt.